Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're reviewing the FURWOO round rolling stool with wheels, a versatile and practical addition to any workspace. Whether you're in a salon, spa, or home office, this stool promises comfort and mobility. Product overview. The FURWOO round rolling stool features a 13.2-inch diameter seat cushion that's 2.6 inches thick, providing ample support for extended use. It boasts a height adjustment range from 17.1 to 23.2 inches, accommodating various desk heights. The stool's compact base is designed for stability, and its 360-degree swivel function enhances maneuverability. Constructed with waterproof materials, it's easy to clean and maintain. Assembly is straightforward, typically taking about 10 minutes, and the stool supports up to 300 pounds. Setting up the FURWOO stool was a breeze. The instructions were clear, and all necessary tools were included. Once assembled, the stool was ready for use. The height adjustment mechanism is smooth, allowing for quick customization. The 360-degree swivel is responsive, making it easy to move around without lifting the stool. Performance. In daily use, the FURWOO stool performs admirably. The seat cushion is comfortable even during extended periods of sitting. The wheels glide effortlessly on various surfaces, and the stool remains stable throughout. Whether used in a salon, spa, or home office, it meets the demands of a dynamic environment. Pros and cons. Pros: comfortable, thick seat cushion, easy height adjustment, 360-degree swivel for enhanced mobility, waterproof and easy to clean, supports up to 300 pounds. Cons: some users may find the assembly process slightly challenging, limited color options available. Comparisons. Compared to other stools in its category, the FURWOO offers a competitive price point without compromising on quality. Its height adjustment range and weight capacity are on par with similar models, making it a solid choice for those seeking functionality and durability. Value for money. Considering its features and performance, the FURWOO round rolling stool offers excellent value. It's a cost-effective solution for those needing a reliable and comfortable stool for various settings. Build quality. The stool is well constructed, with a sturdy frame and durable materials. The seat cushion is thick and supportive, and the wheels are robust, ensuring longevity even with regular use. User-friendliness. The stool's design is intuitive, with easy height adjustment and a swivel function that enhances mobility. Its compact size makes it suitable for spaces where maneuverability is key. Customer support. While specific customer support experiences are limited, the straightforward design and assembly process suggests that users are unlikely to encounter issues requiring assistance. Real-world testing. In a busy salon environment, the stool's mobility and comfort were put to the test. It performed well, allowing staff to move quickly between clients without discomfort. Updates. As of now, there are no significant updates or changes to the FURWOO round rolling stool. Final verdict. The FURWOO round rolling stool with wheels is a practical and comfortable choice for those in need of a reliable stool. Its features, performance, and value make it a standout option in its category. Target audience. This stool is ideal for professionals in salons, spas, or home offices who require a comfortable and mobile seating solution. Longevity. With proper care, the FURWOO stool is built to last, maintaining its functionality and appearance over time. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content or allow others to find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.